How to apply a coupon code on Shein. Hey everybody, if you'd like to apply a coupon code on Shein, you may follow up the simple steps. First of all, head over and open up the Shein application on your device, and once you are there, you may just go ahead and look out for the product that you would like to add it onto cart. You may just go ahead and look out for the products, add items to your cart. For example, you can just go ahead and look out for this cart option right beside each of the items. You can tap on it and add up the product to your cart. So you may select up the color, the verifications and everything like variations about the product and tap to add to cart and add it to your cart. Now once the product is added to your cart, you can just go to your cart option, tap on it, and once you have finished shopping, you can look out for the checkout option. So you can just go ahead and tap on this checkout option right in the bottom right corner, tap on it, and once that is done, you will be taken to the section right here where you may just go ahead and confirm your order. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and see a designated area to enter a coupon code and often labeled as promo code or apply coupon. You can look out for that option and click on it. And once you go ahead and click on it, you can just go ahead and apply up the code that you have, verify the coupon code, and successfully apply it up in the order will reflect the discounted price before finalizing your process, and Shein will also allow you to use bonus points or your wallet balance to reduce your order cost. And that is it. So if you would like to apply a coupon code on Shein, you may also follow the same process that I just told you. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.